Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add categories in Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up this official squarespace.com website right here. If you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you want to go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where we can find all the websites we can access. So what you want to do is open up your website where you want to add the categories for. So I'm going to open up the website right here. It's going to open it up in a new tab, and now in this main page I can look at all the sections I can access like website, products, content, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with making categories. So what we want to do first guys is to go ahead and open up our page where we want to make the categories for. So as you can see here I have my pages under my website, and here I have my main pages such as my blog, store, and so on. What I can do guys to create categories, let's say for my store, is to click the settings icon right here next to my store page, and this is going to open up your store settings where you can see all the options you can access, and one of them is going to be called categories. So once you open up categories, as you can see currently I do not have any categories. What I can do, click the create category button, and I can enter in what I want to do. So we call it, let's say, shirts, and after that guys I can click the add button. Now I have successfully created a shirts category that I can access and add products to. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.